Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we are going to start the last question of exercise number 1.2. This is the last question. If A is equal to 1201, B is equal to 1120, we have to verify that first one A transpose and then transpose. Taking transpose of A two times is equal to A. Let's have prove this question as A is equal to 1201. For A transpose, we change its rows into columns. That there is the first row and the second row. These change into first column and second column. A transpose is equal to 1201. First row change into first column and second row change into second column. Now taking another transpose of A transpose, taking its transpose again A transpose, and taking transpose of it, its rows change into columns and columns change into rows. First row change into first column and second row change into second column. First row is 10, which becomes the first column 10. Second row is 21, it changes into second column having entities, first entity 2 and then 1. 10, first row change into first column and then second row having values 2 and 1 change into second column. Now we have to prove A transpose and then transpose is equal to A. See the value 1, 2, 0 and 1. The value of A is 1, 2, 0 and 1. So all the entities of matrix A transpose is equal to A. So we can say that A transpose is equal to A. We have to verify that and we completely verified it. A transpose is equal to A. Now we have to done same with in the second part with B, as B is equal to 1, 1, 2, 0, having two rows. First row 1, 1, second row 2, 0. We can change in transpose these rows into columns. In B transpose, first row becomes the first column. First rows have entities 1 and 1. 1, 1. Second row having entities 2 and 0. 2, 0. So it change into first row change into first column and second row change into second column. We have find B transpose. In next case, we have to find the transpose of matrix B transpose. B transpose, first row change into first column and second row change into second column. First row is 1, 2, having entries 1 and 2, we change into first column 1 and 2. Second row having entries 1 and 0, change into second row 1 and 0. So B transpose is matrix 1, 1, 2 and 0, which have same entries as B matrix 1, 1, 2 and 0. Same order, same column. So these matrices are equal. So B transpose is equal to B. So we have verified that B transpose is equal to B. That's it, the final question of exercise 1.2.